Hey guys, welcome back to another quick how-to, and today I'll be teaching you on how to deposit money in Bybit. So the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your web browser and then log into your Bybit account. Okay, and then after that you just have to click on the buy crypto at the top. So let's go back. Just have to click on it and then you can deposit your crypto or fiat or deposit your fiat. You can tap on bank transfer or bank card. Just have to click on it. Now here you just have to select the currency. So I'll be changing this to euro, and here I can put on an amount 10 to 10,000. So I'll be putting on 10 for example, and select your payment method. So it has different payment methods. You just have to choose, and then right after that you just have to click on the terms and condition of this section and then click on continue. After that, you can see your payment detail and just click on next to proceed. And that's a wrap. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more quick how-to videos next time. Adios.